Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up photos in TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and I will tap the plus icon at the bottom center here, and then the upload at the very bottom right here, and I can tap on a few of these photos and hit next. However, what you'll notice is that there is no option here to speed up the transition or how quickly it shows these various photos. Unfortunately, it's not available in TikTok itself, so we'll have to use a separate app. My favorite app for video editing and stuff like this is InShot. You can see it right here. You can just go to your App Store or Google Play Store and download any shot. It's perfectly free and it works really well. So once we're on here, we can upload those 3 photos and make the duration of them shorter or quicker. So I'm going to tap on video here, and then I will tap on photos at the very top, and I'll just choose 3 of these photos and hit the check mark at the bottom. Right now, it's going to upload these three photos. I can do a few things to edit it to make it look good in TikTok. I can tap the canvas icon at the bottom left here, and you can see if I scroll over. There is a TikTok format that is exact dimensions of TikTok. And then I can tap background right here and choose black if I just want a black background, which is common on TikTok. It always just has that black background behind the photos. Now I can hit the check mark, and what I can do to change the duration or speed up the photos is I can tap and hold. You see at the very bottom where it has the photo reel right here. I can tap and hold on it, and it will bring up the 3 different photos. And you can see right there, it says 5 seconds is a current duration of them. So I can tap on that. And I can slide over until I get the duration. There is duration. Now I can switch it to say, I only want it 2 seconds. And you can see at the left here it says, apply to all of these clips. I'll tap that apply to all. And now you can see that all of these are only 2 seconds long, which is really nice. So now you can hit play, and the transition will be a lot quicker. Of course, you can change the background on these other photos if you want to. You can make the transition even quicker. You can adjust it however you want. You can add music to it if you want to as well, have background music. And you'll notice at the very bottom right, there's that little InShot logo. You can just press that X button and it will make you watch like a 30-second ad, and then you'll be able to export it. Or of course, you can just pay for the paid version. Now, when you're done at the very top right here, we can hit that little export button and it will ask us for the resolution we can choose for. Okay, we can choose MP4 and then hit save. So now this will save it to our camera roll gallery. And all we have to do then is to go back into TikTok. We'll just go back into TikTok here, and we can go back. And we can choose that video that we just did from InShot. So now we can choose this, and we can use this to post on TikTok. And we've now sped up those photos and the transition through those different photos. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.